What is up guys, it's me Hans and I'm back with another video. As you have all know guys, Galaxy A42 is listed on Geekbench. So I have got some leaked specifications of A42 of Samsung. So let's start the video. If you have any queries regarding specifications of any device, you can join our Telegram group. Its link is given in the description. So let's start the video. As unknown Samsung device is porting model code SMA426B and believed to be the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G has passed through Geekbench, revealing key specs in the processor. The phone runs Android 10 and has 4 GB of RAM on board. The motherboard section is in the listing mentions Lito, which corresponds to the Snapdragon 765G SoC, and the details mentioned in the processor information section also hints toward the same. But the source code of the web page tells a different story. Yes guys, the code lists the GPU on the device was Adreno 619 instead of Snapdragon 765G's Adreno 620. So it's weird guys, so it's unbelievable guys. Let's talk about it, some specifications and pricing. So first of all guys, I am not going to talk about its processor because the processor is not yet confirmed, but I'll be talk about its some leaked specification. So the RAM on this device is coming at 4 GB. Yes, the battery size is 5000 mAh. Display size is 6.63 inches Super AMOLED display. Might be get launch on September 9, 2020. It's unofficial guys. And the operating system that is running on this device is One UI 2.0 with Android 10 out of the box. Yes, it's good. It's a Super AMOLED display with pixel density of 409 ppi. Let's talk about camera setup. Camera setup was triple rear camera. The main sensor is 48 megapixel Samsung's pixel ultra wide sensor and 5 megapixel depth sensor. So it's good. Front we got a simple punch hole display with a 25 megapixel primary camera. So it's good. And let's talk about its battery and charging. So Samsung is keep giving us the 15-watt charging in the box, but at this time Samsung is gonna to be changed. Samsung will provide you a 5000 mAh battery with the support of 25-watt supercharging. So it's also good if this device launches soon, so the device will best under the price. So let's see what will the Samsung do. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do check out my previous videos and hit that subscribe button to never miss my any updates. So it's all guys.